lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine if this is your first time seeing me. And in today's video, I'm just showing you a random haul. I just picked up a few things and I wanted to share them with you. So there are a few food items and then I have some beauty products as well. I got some hamburger buns. These were 87 cents. And I got some classic Franks. This pack has 8 of them inside, and this cost 98 cents, so not bad at all. These Eggos were $2.38. They're just like the home style, like original type, and there's 10 of them in here. These will be gone soon. I love waffles, even though I shouldn't be eating them. These are TGI Fridays. They're poppers and they're cream stuffed jalapenos. They look really delicious, and these were $4.48. And it doesn't say how much is inside, but sounds like a decent amount. This looked kind of interesting. It's by Indulgence and it's a portobello mushroom risotto, and it was for $2.24. Looks like it's tasty. I guess I'll see. For $5.94, I got this. It is lavender 100% pure natural essential oil. Let's give it a huff. I hope it smells good. The little bottle. Smells all right. It also helps to soothe, calm, and relax. And then from Sephora, I picked up the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Paint. It is so beautiful. That's what it looks like. I'm sure most of you have seen it by now. Applicator's interesting. I'll give it a swatch. It looks like that. And I have to say, it's really comfortable on the lip. I tried it once and it wasn't really drying or anything. It was very comfortable. You guys, I've been eyeballing this palette for, oh my gosh, it is absolutely beautiful. It's this Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it was $59 from Sephora. Oh my good gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at this color right here. Oh my god. If you'd like me to do a look or a swatch video with that palette, let me know down below. I do have other videos that will be coming using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I just gotta get around to it, but I will because somebody did request it. So I'll get around to that. So definitely tell me if you want one done on this palette too. Then at Ulta for $2.99, I got this. It is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I like using that just to set my brows after I'm done with them. Keeps them in place. These two lip glosses were $2.24. Beautiful, beautiful colors. This one's called So Into It, and they're the Shine Wet Look glosses. I'll give it a swatch. That's what the applicator looks like. Let's swatch it. Oh, what a beautiful color. Beautiful nude. And this one is called For a Night Out. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, and they smell yummy too. That's what that looks like. They tossed this in for me too. It's by It Cosmetics and it's a Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So they gave that to me for free. I don't really wear mascara a lot, but it's cute. Let's see. It's the brush. That's everything to my haul. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my random haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you lovelies later. Bye!